In this video, we'll explain context-sensitive help and how the online help that we generated earlier can be fine-tuned to provide context-sensitive help. You may have noticed programs or applications on your computer that provide a link to help documentation. This could be via a Help menu or a Help button, typically with the question mark sign on it, or via the F1 key. Now, there's a subtle difference between help and context-sensitive help. In most cases, when users access help, they are provided with a top-level menu, which normally is the opening page of the help file. This has the introduction topic and so on. This usually means the help page that opens does not exactly provide help to the problem on hand. Let us explain. Now, assume that the user is trying to insert a table or a text box using the Google Docs program and runs into a problem. Clicking the Help button of the application, the user is taken to a top-level help menu online, that is, one from where one needs to do a search on how to insert a table or text box and wade through the different options before arriving at the actual help. Therefore, this only makes the user search and wait for the solution. Instead, what if the help page displayed the help related to that particular problem the user was having, in our case about inserting a table or a text box, instead of going through the main menu and searching for the related help topic? Wouldn't that be more helpful? Let us look at another scenario related to the application for which we are developing the help documentation. Let us say the user wants to know how to sign in to Rediffmail. If the help that we developed takes the user to the top-level help file, that is the introduction topic. It doesn't help much. Of course, the user can still search for the sign-in help topic from there. Instead, if the page directly revealed the documentation related to the sign-in process, wouldn't that be more helpful? This is precisely what context-sensitive help is all about. With the online help that we generated, it is possible to create context-sensitive help. Let us take a look at the HTML folder where the online help is located. If you notice, all the files here can be opened in your internet browser, that is, with Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. The topics, how to sign in, forgot password, etc., all exist as separate HTML files. All you need is to ask your web designer or programmer to link the various topics from the folder to the various parts of the program or application. Let us say there is a help link or help button on the sign-in page of the Rediffmail online application. If this link is connected to the How to Sign In topic, we have context-sensitive help for the sign-in process. Similarly, you could hook up relevant topics to various parts of the application, making help relevant to that functionality of the program. When we generate the online help, Help and Manual makes this easy by creating separate HTML files. All you need is to ask your web designer or programmer to link the various topics from the folder to the various parts of the program or application.